Hello YouTubers, it's me again, Milwaukee, Utah's Garage and Workshop. Right now it's mostly a tool channel and no work because it's freezing cold outside. So what I got for today, I got some really cool goodies. I picked up everybody's. I was snipering stuff off of eBay. Well, I don't really sniper, I just find to buy it now, and if I like it. I honestly hate clicking the auction button because I know I'm going to lose. Unless you put like $2,000 like thing limit on it, you forget it. Half the time it's like, hey, I'll bid like less than 4 seconds. So watch this. I'll put the camera down and you can see what I'm doing. All right, edit the hand part out. What do I got? I have this. Yes, be jealous, everybody. I have a really cool vintage vice grip. Look at that. Look at the jaws on it. It is made by Seymour Smith Snap Lock, number 1607. Cool, huh? It's a locking pliers. Yeah. I don't know if you can see the name on it, but let me turn the juice on here. I don't know if you can see, there's a name on it right there. Kind of, sort of, maybe. I don't know. See, I ordered 2 more actually. This one, I'm not sure if I want to clean it. I like the griminess to it, but I didn't even try it out yet. Like, see what it grips, how it works. Seems to be just like old and crummy. But yeah, it's got a little screw in there, a screw in here, and you can take the little pads off it, which is pretty neat. There's nothing fancy about it really. It's just a basic. If you look at a vice grip brand one, which I don't have lying around here, I do have one. See, it's pretty similar. Just doesn't have this thing. Doesn't have the oopsies. I can't open you. But I guess back in the day, these guys probably bought out all these guys and put them out of business. But it's pretty cool. Thought it was neat. What else did I get? That's pretty much it for the fancy tools. I'm gonna end it now and I'll show you something else. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, check all the folks in the list below. Check out some other channels, and if you're not one of my 355 subscribers, join now. Click the little subscribe button. I think it's over here, or whatever. But you know what to do. Slam it, punch it. I don't know, do whatever, but help me get to 500. Yes, 500 is my goal. 500 by whenever.